My name is Linda. I live in Arundecoit. We've been here for 48 years. Our main issue has been right here above the entryway, the garage and the second story. It's been very, very prone to ice dams, no matter what we do. But there's also ice damming in the back of the house, in the same, if you go straight back, and the inside wall, there was some leakage. Kevin was wonderful, explaining everything to me. Gave the estimate and he explained why we're doing it. He explained all the barriers that they're going to use to try and ward off more water damage. So I was very pleased with that. And then the crew was absolutely wonderful. And Mateo was always there to answer questions and assure me, and assure my son. And everyone was wonderful to work with. The crew was hardworking. Antonio was very reassuring that this should take care of the problem, you know, all the barriers that were put in. My son was very pleased when he talked to Antonio and hoping that this is the last of the caved-in roofs. The front of the house has like a stone finish and then goes up to the chimney. And at that time, the chimney had a lot of brown and gold stones in it. So that's why we did the house with gold and brown. I just kept with this color scheme. Ah! It's wonderful. It's beautiful. I'm very pleased with the results. They cleaned up, beautiful job cleaning up. Everyone's very professional. I was very happy. I was very pleased with everything. Yes, absolutely.